Hello everyone, there's another video from Expert Trader on Tuesday the 15th of December. Okay, so I bring to you the same account I posted in my last 4 videos. This is a live account, as you can see. Obviously. So let's take a look at how this account has performed currently. Okay, so let's look at the trades. These are the trades that are running right now. So if we look at history, you will see last month so far we have made a profit of 577 with a deposit of 418, over 100% trading with my EA. This is no fluke, my friends. Okay, this is no fluke. Over 100%. This account started on the 30th of November. All right, and today is the 15th of December. We're already at 100%. Deposit 418, profit 577, balance 996. Now, I want you to understand that this is consistency. If I can start with a deposit this low and build 100%, more than 100%, less than a month, we can trade for you. If you've been having difficulty trading, and if you have any difficulty making profits while trading, we can do this for you. Fund management is what we do, or you can purchase our EA and trade yourself. However it is, it will work perfectly for you. Please, I need you to understand that this is not a scam. What we do is genuine, and our trading system works. You can purchase the EA if you want, or we can trade on your behalf for profit sharing. All we have to do is share profit, and that's it. So chat me up on WhatsApp with the number in the description, or email me, and let's discuss which of the options you'd like to subscribe to, either fund management or you'd like to purchase this EA. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.